who seem more than willing to share their
Come
natural
here,
habitat.
baby.
Of course, if you really want to immerse yourself, just dive in. However, if you're really adventurous and like to ski, Absinthe and his helicopter can perform miracles.
Dee Dee. Hi, Mama. Dee. No.
The great thing
Stop it.
with Absinthe in the wintertime is she's your floating ski lodge. It allows you to use the helicopter and you could go to the highest peak where the powder is fine and no one else is in there.
This beer bottle is bigger than you.
And when you get hungry, the helicopter will make a
Come here,
steady
Bubba.
back, bringing fresh Northwest sushi. After lunch, it's back to a
Dee.
glorious afternoon.
Come here, Mama. Come here.
Deep powder on more than 1 million acres of untouched terrain and breathtaking views.